Welcome to our video comparing AMD's Ryzen 5-5600X and Intel's Core i5-12600K. Both of these CPUs are competing for a place in your gaming rig, but which one is better? Keep watching to find out. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. In terms of price, AMD Ryzen 5-5600X costs $156, while Intel Core i5-12600K costs $209. So, if you're on a budget, AMD Ryzen 5-5600X is the clear winner here. When it comes to gaming performance, AMD Ryzen 5-5600X is the clear winner. It can deliver elite 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. On the other hand, Intel Core i5-12600K offers improved onboard graphics and turbo boost, but still lags behind AMD Ryzen 5-5600X. Intel Core i5-12600K has a newer socket LGA1700 socket that allows processor to be placed on the PCB without soldering, giving it an advantage over AMD Ryzen 5-5600X in this category. Both CPUs have good L3 cache memory. AMD Ryzen 5-5600X has 35 MB of cache, while Intel Core i5-12600K has 16 MB of cache. However, AMD Ryzen 5-5600X still wins this category. Intel 7 architecture makes Intel Core i5-12600K power efficient, but AMD Ryzen 5-5600X supports PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. Both products have their advantages in this category. AMD Ryzen 5-5600X comes bundled with their Wraith stealth cooler, while Intel Core i5-12600K does not come with any cooler. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free installation, AMD Ryzen 5-5600X is the clear winner. So there you have it, a detailed comparison of the AMD Ryzen 5-5600X and Intel Core i5-12600K. While both CPUs have their unique advantages, it ultimately depends on your preferences and budget. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.